Water, mother of everything it touches, unique, essential and irreplaceable. With different sources and uses, it generates in itself circular partnerships. Águas do Tejo Atlântico and the Municipality of Alenquer answered the call of the United Nations for sustainability. We make a difference through sharing knowledge and experience. In Alenquer, we work 24 hours a day to promote circular water, renewing life. AgIR is a project articulated with industries in evolution across the territory, where we act side by side with companies, municipalities and universities. In the automotive industry, for example, we optimized operations and returned cleaner water to the environment. In a soap factory, we transformed waste into reusable bioproducts. From undue inflow like unwanted foams, we created cleaning products for our tanks and municipal containers. With universities, we study the Ota and Alenquer rivers, restore habitats and ecosystems. We have brought native fish back home. We are part of the SOLLAGUA project, which promotes nature-based solutions and water reuse for rural areas. Our water factories are more than infrastructure, they are engines of innovation. We develop água water for compatible uses, and Biolamas, organic sludge for agricultural fertilizer, a truly circular economy. Water is only one, communities are many, and knowledge grows when it is shared. Águas do Tejo Atlântico, in dynamic partnerships, brings circularity to water, moving towards sustainability for this territory and the well-being of the people of Alenquer. We are turning used water into local opportunities.